Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The only prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner is to expedite the proceedings of original suit number 149 of 2002 bracket start Munshi versus Kanhai and others bracket close pending before the learned civil judge senior division Moradabad, and that the suit be decided within a stipulated period of time. Stop. Shri Ved Prakash Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, contends that the suit was instituted in the year 2002. Stop. He calls attention to the order sheet to submit that the suit is being adjourned and a final decision is being inordinately delayed for no good reason. Stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and upon perusal of the order sheet, this court finds that the suit has been pending for more than 17 years. Stop. In view of the preceding discussion, the matter is remitted to the learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, before whom the original suit number 149 of 2002 is pending to execute the following directions. Stop. The learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, is directed to decide the original suit number 149 of 2002 within a period of 1 year from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. The learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, shall not grant any unnecessary adjournment to the parties. Stop. In case any adjournment is granted in the paramount interest of justice, the learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, shall impose costs not below rupees 5,000 for each adjournment upon the party seeking the adjournment. Stop para. In case the counsel for any party does not appear before the learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, on any date on the ground of strike of advocates, the learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, shall not permit such counsel bracket start of either party bracket close to appear in this case on future dates. Stop. The learned civil judge, senior division Moradabad, shall, if required, proceed with the trial on a day-to-day basis to ensure that the above stipulated time period of 1 year to decide the original suit number 149 of 2002 is strictly adhered to. Stop. With the aforesaid direction, the petition is finally disposed of. Stop para. The procedure prescribed under section 16 clearly reflects the afore legislative intent. Stop. Section 16 within bracket 2 of the 1996 Act provides that objections with regard to the tribunal not having jurisdiction to adjudicate upon the dispute should be submitted before the filing of the statement of defense. Stop. As per section 16 within bracket 3, if any party is to raise an objection that the tribunal has travelled beyond its scope, the same should be filed as soon as such party feels that the tribunal has done so. Stop. The delay in filing of the aforesaid applications is condonable only on justifiable grounds. Stop para. If the objections filed by a party under sections 16 within bracket 2 and within bracket 3 are overruled by the arbitral tribunal, it would mean that the tribunal, as per its own ruling, would have jurisdiction to adjudicate the dispute referred to it, or that it has not exceeded the scope of its authority. Stop. In both eventualities, the reference made to the arbitral tribunal continues to be live before it, and therefore section 16 within bracket 5 mandates the arbitral tribunal to continue with the arbitral proceedings and go on to pass an award. Stop. No remedy of appeal is also provided in the 1996 Act against the overruling of objections filed under sections 16 within bracket 2 and within bracket 3. Stop. Over.